YouTube, and so boy came back with another NBA2K21, but for the second time or the third time, I'm gonna be showing you. Sorry, I'll be freezing, but I'm gonna be showing you how to make a demigod build, aka point guard build, aka it was a playmaking a shot, something I don't know, but you guys will see. But before we start this banger, if you didn't, make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and my new videos. Let's like this video up. Let's get 5 likes in the video, and yeah, let's do it, man. Guys, I also have a book of stuff, but yeah, so my ears. Let's do this. Alright, guys, so we have to thing out. Name don't matter, position point guard, hand don't matter, jersey don't matter. You guys already know that. So we're gonna do the skill breakdown. So we're gonna go all the way down to the 8th one, and they have a lot of new ones too. But we're gonna go down to the 8th one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So guys, we're gonna go to this one, the shooting and the playmaking. So once you guys do that, you guys already know. Okay. Cold shot, guys, like I said, I have it on the book. So max out cold shot all the way. Driving layup of 73. I'm to like the 73. And this one's 64. Yeah, so max that out. And then standing ducking post hook. Don't worry about these two. Don't touch these two right here. Okay. Okay, next one. Mid-range shot. Okay, that's maxed out. All the way. You know, 3-point shot maxed out for the for this build. Okay. Free throw. I'm gonna try max hold it. Now I'm gonna max that out. And post fade. I'm gonna sound like a 78. Guys, like I said, guys, I'm reading this off a book that I wrote I wrote it like yesterday, so I can undo it. Sometimes I be forgetting. So playmaking. I said 88. Ball handle 85. Post move 44. Like I said, 44. Okay, now the first one don't touch. 75 for both of them. Now this one, 80. Yeah, still the 80 for sure. I'm actually glad I put that. And block, and offensive rebound, don't touch that, but touch 65. Now defensive rebound 65. Okay, so these are the badges. And like I said, I'm talking about I made a build. I'll show you guys how to make a demigod build. These badges are perfect for the build. So yeah. Okay, you got everything. Okay, body shape. I'm gonna say, no, not solid. I'm gonna say like compact. Alright, now for this one,
Let's go.
I'm gonna have to go with, alright guys, we're back. But like I said, the height. So let's think of Stephen Curry in this video. Stephen Curry, he's 6'3". I'm thinking. Let's say 6'4". Yeah, you know, man, I think I'm 6'3". Yeah, let's just keep it at 6'3". The weight. Did I put the weight on here? I think I put the weight on here. I think I put the weight. Yeah, I put the weight on here. So the weight is 170, so all the way down. Cause it doesn't matter if it's like super high. It don't matter. So that's one right here. Wingspan, I'm gonna say 74. No, 75.0. Cause you could look at your 3-point real quick. Just look at it real quick. It has 4 of them. It has 4 mid-range, post fade. It has 2 of them. So your defense are kind of like a little bad, but you'll be fine. So let's see your dunking. Your dunking, you probably won't be able to dunk. You probably won't be able to dunk. Okay, to take over, I already know to take over. So spot up shooter, the takeover woman, spot up shooter. Guys, the shades of are Kirk Henrich, Stephen Curry, and Trae Young, guys. So this build is like, damn me, bro. This build actually might be better than the last one I made. And also if you guys don't know the last one I made, well, so pause this video real quick and then go to my last video I made on my game channel. But not my last one, the one that's 2 weeks old. No, the one that's 2 weeks old or 1 week old. So make sure you guys watch that video. You guys will see. And yeah. So let's go to the badges now. Let's flip this real quick. We're gonna go into the badges, y'all. Alright. Badges. Alright. Okay, so the badge. We only have one badge, so I'm saying say stuttering finisher. I'm gonna say that. Okay, now shooting, bro. Shooting. So Hall of Fame green machine. Deadeye Hall of Fame. Range extender Hall of Fame. Silver bottom shooter just like the other one. So yeah, the Hot Star Hall of Fame too. Okay, so gold, difficult shots, and yeah, guys, so that's it. Okay, let's go to playmaking now. Playmaking. I'm gonna flip. Alright, guys. So Hall of Fame for Hannah for days, always, you know. Hall of Fame. Quick first step. For sure. I'm gonna say gold ankle banger. I'm gonna say gold for that. Hall of Fame tight. Okay. Tight handles. Okay, what else? Yeah, Hall of Fame floor general. And for, space career, silver. Or maybe put this on gold. And then, yeah, that's good. So guys, make sure you guys do this. So for the defense, okay, we only have 6. So I'm saying gold clamps and probably gold imitator. Yeah, so same one as the other ones. Or also I could be like boom, then like that. But nah, I'm gonna keep it like this. Yeah, and also guys, you guys have been commenting on my Twitter and also on my YouTube videos. Well, not my YouTube videos, cause my YouTube turn off the comments. But yeah, but you guys been posting commenting on my Twitter, my Snapchat, on how to choose a jump shot. Guys, all you gotta do is press Y or a triangle, or whatever which one you want. You're on Xbox, then Y. If you're on PS4, then controller. If you're on mobile, I don't know how mobile like, but if you're on Nintendo, if you guys are on Nintendo, then I'm gonna say Y like A or something. Guys, press Y or triangle, whatever, and choose your jump shot you want. They have Anthony Davis, Giannis Antetokounmpo, Kyrie Irving, Stephen Curry. Yeah, man. So I'm gonna choose Stephen Curry. But I'm not gonna play this one. And guys, so guys, just comment down below. So just comment down below. Comment down below on my Twitter. How's your gameplay? Like, how's to build? Is your build good? Is it bad? Like, let me know below and I'll fix it for you guys. Well, not fix it for you guys, but I'll make another build. But yeah, all that being said, if you did, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on your notifications, and my new daily videos. Let's get 10 likes in this video. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm just playing. But 5 plus 5 is 10. So 10 likes, guys. And yeah, all that being said, I'll see you guys next Sunday. Peace out. Announcement coming in right now. The first announcement is this video, October 27th. The music video is called 23 No 23 No, and also 3 No 23 No, and also I just text Michael Jordan right now. I'll show you. I just text him that he'll be listening to the song here. So yeah. Yeah, guys, I told you, boy. Me and Jordan are close friends, man. We have each other's number, and yeah, bruh. Yeah. Second freaking announcement is this. New games coming soon. I mean, like, like games. I mean, like mobile game. Like only like one mobile game though. So the mobile game is gonna be called Clayton Throw, guys. So like I said, yeah, as I said, right, Clayton Throw. So yeah, so new mobile game coming soon. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Third announcement is this. You guys already said this, but I said like 2 times. here at 951-433-9679. Give you exclusive merch, exclusive text messages, exclusive updates on my life, and everything, y'all. So make sure you guys just text 951-433-9679. Yeah.